up, guys? Here we are back. I'm kind of late for work. Well, I had told him a story. I basically said, I said, yo, my back tire is flat. I'm like, he said, oh man, bro, I ain't feel like getting up, bro. He wanted me to get up at 5 in the morning and to come all the way to Deerfield, bro. I live by the beach, and I'm not saying like literally live, like I literally live by the beach. It only take me 10 minutes to get there, bro. Literally. So think about it. Pompano to Deerfield, not just the outskirts of Deerfield. I gotta go all the way inside of Deerfield. That's a long way. But yeah, pretty much. He'll be alright. He got like 4 more men anyway. We just unloading the truck and then putting the stop. Yeah, so basically, I just told my boss about it. But I ain't feel like waking up. Sometimes, bro, I don't care, bro. We human, bro. Like, if you don't feel like waking up, you don't feel like waking up, bro. Like, that's the thing, bro. Especially at 5 in the morning, man. That means, if you really think about it, I wake up at like 4. I wake up at 4 instead of 5. So I gotta like be up. No, I wake up at 3 actually, because it's kind of 2 hours for me to get. Not 2 hours, but like I just, just for really, I gotta wake up early. It's just safe. I gotta wake up more for safer reasons. To be honest, in this case, my wheel bob, I have to change it, make sure it's good. Out of time still, come up the head. That's the motto. Where we going? I don't know, I'm just going places, bro. Do not enter. We entering. Don't try that at home. Oh, this is my favorite spot, actually. I know where we're going. Ooh. Favorite spot to go through. But yeah, pretty much. We're gonna go around this way. It's a way to go this way. Time it is. Gonna go this way. Nobody coming? Nope. Cross. On my face. Or here. Here. Come on, old man. Go through here. I get 25 minutes. Oh dang, I messed up. Across. I mean, they red, so. Excuse me. Sorry, I took your turn. Remind me of New York City. I missed my turn. Yeah. Supposed to go that way. Come on. Alright. Kept us swerving around there. He got like sand, and like the sand can like make my like flip. That's why I think those fish because the sand. Oh, I can make it. Let's go. Did he turn it? Yes, he turned it without no signal. See what I mean? Even though I'll do something crazy, but see what I mean? I knew he was going that way. No matter if you slow down or not, he'll just be going slow. I'm gonna let him slide though. Like, I wouldn't like Jay, not Jay, Eagle. Today. Just for a different view. Go down this way in a long time. And also, I gotta get on the other side. There ain't no other side, so I gotta get on this side. Wow. I get about like 8:20. There's no cars coming. Yeah, I'll get there by like I don't get no car behind. Car is coming behind. I think my tire about to flat. Yup. Oh my goodness, bro. I gotta get street tires, bro. Yo, so I freaking found the problem. It's this right here. I popped my tire. Bro, is that a nail? It is a nail, I think. What the fuck? Bro, it's a big nail. How did that even get in my tire? Bro. And it popped another freaking... Bro, what the freak? Bro, so I gotta use 2 patches now because it went through the other side of my tire. Damn. Bro. That is crazy. Ugh. Make sure I don't cut myself. Oh, bro, I gotta get some pliers or something. Look at that nail, bro. That is crazy. Let me use my thing real quick. See, I could take it out. Holy shit. That is crazy. Oh, so this is what's in my freaking tire. God freaking dang. That is crazy. This is like my 3rd time changing this bike tire. Like, holy shit, bro. At this point, ooh. At this point, bro, honestly, wait, hold on. I mean, it's great content for you guys, so let me carry this bike over here. I don't want it to fall because I don't want it to mess up. Okay. Now, 3rd time freaking changing this bike, bro. My 3rd time. Literally. Ugh. Okay. Put these right here. Alright guys, I'm back on the road, but I feel like it's another right in this. I don't know. And it's the two at the time, it's sus. I don't know. I'm gonna just go over here. Yeah, this tube acting kind of sus, bro. I don't know. This tube kind of acting sus. So you guys, I had to stop again. Tire. The tube that I put in, bro, this part right here was ripping. I was like, what the freak? At this point, I'm over it, bro. I'm over it. Then my boss keep telling me, bro, we need you, we need you. We need you, bro. Like, bro, I'm over here struggling. Bro, you could call somebody else in, bro. Like, literally. So I'm like, bro, because at the end of the day, bro, I already covered my what's it called again? I already covered for the day, because if I don't lose no money, I was gonna gain more money, but I wasn't gonna lose no money today because I have a Bitcoin miner, and it made me like at least like $10 a day, something like that. So I wasn't losing no money. I might get some new tubes, bro. That's what's gonna ever happen, bro. I had to thug it out, though. Everybody just looking at me. Change my tire. Alright, almost done, bro. Let's see. Yeah, it's alright. Straight. And we are back. I just bro. The tire, bro. Literally, the tire going crazy on everything. Bro, I literally had to like fix the tire. I had to take 2 tubes out. Had to put the patches, the little slime patches thing on the tire. I gotta go get new tubes. I'm probably gonna get like a set of tubes at Amazon for like, it's like $14 I've seen. Bro, my fucking boss is getting on my nerves. My man told me, bro, can you please make it? Please make it. I'm like, dang, bro, you crying like a little girl. God dang. I'm like, bro, I hope this man don't want me to do no cash register. Fridays, I just stop. So we'll see when I get there. Yeah, bro, I gotta go through this way. I probably gotta let this tire last. Yeah, man. Oh. I don't even want to here, bro. I know. Gotta get some new tubes. I gotta get new tubes first before I even do that. But yeah, that was the end of this video, guys. That was the end of this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thank you. Cause man, so much. This is a crazy morning. Catch you guys.